Alright, so welcome to the Vision FX channel. Please do like and subscribe. This is where we do analysis for various currency pairs, sometimes even metals as well. Essentially just trading online. And please do like and subscribe. So currently I'm running a challenge for the next 4 to 6 weeks. I want to see how far I can consistently follow the process. Okay, the important thing is to follow a process. We're not looking at what the eventual result will be, but what we want to do is to follow the process. So I've started 3 days ago. Yesterday I did not make any posts because I was at break even. So let's look at what we have for today. Let me quickly go to the chart. I just want to show us some setups I've taken. Remember, we're just following this process, which says that so if you have something like this, all you're looking for is for this pullback to enter somewhere here and then go to the next level, wait for another pullback, go to that next level. All right, so what has happened here is that price has come all the way up. Okay, you can see it's doing this. Okay, it's come down. I wasn't here when this one happened, so I came in somewhere here and I just placed pending orders there. So price has gone up, it's now come back down, so it's triggered me in. This is where my stop loss is, just below this level here. So I'm expecting price to at least get to this top. Okay, once it gets to this top, I want to see it come back down again and then go up again. That's what I expect. So currently I'm up on this channel, on this gold. This is gold. I'm up like 8.5, yeah, about 8% currently. So I want to see how far this can go. The other pair I'm trading. Actually, I said I'll be trading just 2 pairs, but right now I've added, because I saw some nice setup on pound JPY. Okay, this was a break there. It came back down, so this is a break. So on this pullback, okay, I placed some pending orders there, and it's given me a nice setup there. It's stalling at this level now. I'm expecting that to come down to this level. If it doesn't, then that's fine as well. But I definitely don't want it to go all the way up there. So currently we're in some profits, about 9% there. Okay, so looking for price. If it breaks, maybe, well, let's just watch and see what will happen on this. Okay, happy trading. I'll make a summary at the end of the day. So let's see how price goes. Pound Aussie, I've not taken any trade because it's not looking too clear for me. It went up, and this will have been a nice area to go up. However, I just thought, since I saw GJ falling massively, I thought, okay, let me just leave that one first, and so I'm leaving this for now. I just want to see what will happen first. Okay, so it looks like GJ didn't want to go down that first attempt, so I've closed a number of the trades, just left the last one here. So that one is at break even, and I've just placed a fresh set of trades now. So this is the first one, I think this is the second one, and the third one is somewhere here. So we want to see if it will rush up again, and then so we want to see if it will do something like this, you know, rush up and then fall back down. That's what I want to see. But if it breaks beyond this level and stops me out, then all we'll then look for will be so if it goes this way and breaks and closes above, so we'll then look for an opportunity for it to pull back, and then we'll go along with it, you know, just like that. So all we're doing is just following the trend. Okay, at the moment it's looking pretty bearish. All right, so I paused the video just a little bit earlier, and essentially I've closed all my trades now, and I'm up today like 34%. So I'm almost back to break even from, you know, remember the first 2 days I was down quite a fair bit. So just like we said, we are following the trend. the zigzag process. So all we're looking for is when the price pulls back, we want to enter somewhere there. So that is what I've done today. When I got to the charts somewhere around here, I put my stop loss down there, which I showed us earlier. So I entered around here, and this gave me a nice push up. So after there was news, when it started coming back down, I just closed all the trades. I was looking for it to go even higher, but that's fine. So that's what happened on gold. On pound yen, something interesting happened. So pound yen, we entered a short once we got this break of structure here to this downside. So on this pullback, I entered a short around there, and I think one more here, expecting price to really flow down, but price did not do that. So instead, price came all the way down here, and then instead of it to continue downwards, it started going back up. So I closed a good portion of it around here and just left the last trade. And then when it got here and went above this level, initially this was a very bullish candle, so I placed a small buy, just a small one, thinking that okay, even if price does go all the way back up, then at least I'll be in some trade. So there was news. This was a news candle, okay, and according to the price structure, so this was a market structure shift, okay, and then it went down and then went up. So I was able to save, or rather I was able to get some profits from this trade as well. So the initial trade, I think I banked, it was initially like 5%, so I closed it out initially at 5% from the 10% when it got here. Then I entered another set of trades thinking that that will now go, but once that did not go, I entered here, and now price is going this way. So all in all, it was a good day. I've made 34%. So and this just goes to speak to the fact that we just need to continue to follow our process. Look at, in one day I've made 34%. In the first 2 days, I had lost. The first one was like I think it was 20 something percent. The second day too was 21 or something like that. All right, 21%. But I've given myself the risk factor that I can lose up to 40% per day. All right, so in just one day I've made almost 40%. This 34% that I've made today, so that is good. And we'll just keep following the process. We'll get to break even, and then even move higher up and begin to post more profits as time goes on. So this thing, just follow the process. All right, have a very good day.